Here's a 90-second overview of what we do. We are a full service operations business for land investors. We've built land businesses and realized that at scale, the main thing that keeps people from leaving their W 2, from scaling to $1 million, is they need killer systems to get there. And most people end up getting stuck at the systems level. Either they never get around building the systems they need to scale, or they get the systems built, but they get stuck just deep in the weeds managing their back end tech and the employees, and they just don't have time to crush deals. What we do is we run everything so that you have tons of free time, from pulling data, contacting 10,000 people a month, qualifying leads. What it looks like on your end is you drop all the front end work, and out of those 10,000 leads, our team funnels it down. So you just see maybe 10 qualified leads per month, and you talk to them and you try to negotiate deals. At the very least, our clients or you are going to save time not pulling data, managing it, sending marketing campaigns, dealing with a bunch of incoming leads, filtering through them, managing your CRM, and you're going to get the same results. So your life's just going to get easier. You should be able to do the same amount of deals. But here's what I think ends up happening is we take this stuff off your plate. I think you're going to get better at having high level conversations. You're going to have time to develop relationships with sellers more. You're going to have potential to close a lot more deals that might have slipped through the cracks, and maybe get better at negotiations, so even get better margins. So you can use our systems or not, but what I think most land investors end up needing is a strategy in place where they can get themselves out of the weeds of operations so they have more time to focus on real conversations with real sellers so they can scale. And I mean, I built this business because getting into land, there's just this clear spot. So you start sending 3 or 4,000 mailers, you start doing a deal every month or so, and it's just how do you break past that ceiling and just start crushing it. So it's a no-brainer to leave your W-2 so that it's just big things start happening. That's where we fit in. That's what I love doing personally. I love working with entrepreneurs and just getting after it. So if that sounds interesting to you, book a call. Let's chat. If you're already crushing it with your land business, hit me up. Let's have a conversation. Maybe we can add a new wing to your marketing, a new channel to your marketing that's just zero lift. We just add some more deal flow in. If you're trying to get over the hump, hit me up, book a call. I'm happy to go through what you're already currently doing. Happy to just give you a roadmap of what it might look like to attempt to get over the hump and scale yourself, or show you what we might be able to do. But either way, I love talking to entrepreneurs. Book a call. Let's chat.